The firm has had a long history of working on matters that touch on racial injustice. Recently, I've had the privilege to work on two important pro bono cases that touch on these issues. In one, I supervised a group of associates who really are the ones who deserve the credit for the case and its outcome in representing a man named Eric DeBerry. He's a black man who was living in Brooklyn, who was charged and convicted over 20 years ago in a shooting that he actually had no role in. And White & Case was hired, identified the evidence that would exonerate him, made an application in front of the same judge who conducted his original trial. The judge agreed that we showed by clear and convincing evidence that he was innocent. He's released from prison, has been reunited with his family. Working on that case was Sam Hershey, Gina Chiappetta, and Sean Segalito, who really, as I say, deserve the credit. The other case is an asylum case for a woman named Maria Cusco. I'm working with Erica Murdoch, an associate on that case. And Ms. Cusco was from Ecuador and was mistreated and prejudiced based on her racial background and her appearance. Very seriously mistreated in her home country. She's here seeking asylum, and we're in the early stages of that case, but it's an honor to represent her. We do a lot of work for business clients and commercial clients and sovereign clients, and that is important work. And I think we all, myself included, take a lot of pride in representing those clients. But there is something unique and unusual when you get the chance to represent an individual who is fighting for his liberty in the case for Mr. DeBerry, or her safety in the case of Ms. Cusco. And it kind of takes you back to some of the things that drew you to the law in the first place, and things that you thought a lot about as a young law student and young lawyer. And having the chance to do that at White & Case in our pro bono practice is really a privilege. And I'm so grateful that we all have the opportunities to do it.